Hi everyone, I am Dr. Shashank Raut. I am an orthopedic surgeon, and today I would be wanting to talk to you about what all care and precautions should you take if your job involves and requires you to be sitting all day long. अगर आपका दिन भर sitting job है and this is putting a strain on your low back and this is causing you frequent low back pain problems, then this is what I would want to address talking to you about. 5 key takeaways if you want to have a good sitting posture. First, we'll start from lower down. Your feet as they rest on the ground should be firmly sitting on the ground, neither suspended in the air, not too crumped up. अगर मान लो आपका चेयर हाइट इतना हाई है कि आपके फीट फर्मली कंफर्टेबली रेस्टिंग स्टेट में नहीं रह पा रहे हैं, तो इस कंडीशन में आप कुछ फुटरेस्ट जैसा इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. नंबर 2, your hips and your knees, they should be comfortable at 90 degrees both. अगर आपका hips और knees too much up या too much down position में जा रहा है, then in the longer run they will put a strain on your low back eventually. Number 3 and the most important thing, your low back should be firmly touching the backrest of your chair. Now what happens is, this is easier said than done. ये बोलना बहुत आसान है कि हमारा लो बैक बैकरेस्ट को टच में रहे, बट जनरली व्हाट हैपेंस इज हमें कुछ आगे स्क्रीन पे राइटिंग वर्क या कंप्यूटर पे टाइपिंग वर्क करना पड़ता है, एंड दिस इज वेयर वी लीव द कॉन्टैक्ट, एंड एज सून एज दिस हैपेंस द लो बैक कम्स अंडर स्ट्रेन. So what we can do essentially is, if we have to like move ahead on the chair to do some work, and this is how we need to be sitting for the day along, we can have some cushion or something that will make sure that our low back is touching with the backrest of a chair. The fourth thing, your shoulders. Make sure that the shoulders are well drooping and relaxed, like not strained up. You should not be needing to do this like an elevated shoulder position all the time while you work. Neither they should be dropping too down low. Comfortably sitting at the sides of your body. Wapas, this is something that we don't pay a lot of attention to. We don't ever think that these could be also contributing to a low back strain, but this does. One of the ways to maybe just address this problem is have a good armrest onto your chair, so that while you work, the shoulders and your arms and your forearms are just sitting comfortably on the armrest of your chair. ये करने से वापस दिक्कत तब आती है जब आपको कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन या राइटिंग वर्क कभी कुछ आगे करना पड़ रहा है. तो इसको काउंटर करने के लिए आपको क्या करना है कि आपका जो भी राइटिंग या टाइपिंग या जो भी आपका वर्क टू बी डन है, उसको आपके बॉडी के करीब लेके आना है, ताकि आपके आर्म्स और आपके फोर आर्म्स कंफर्टेबली आर्मरेस्ट पे रेस्ट करते रहे, एंड यू कैन वर्क विदाउट नीडिंग टू एलिवेट योर शोल्डर्स टू मच और टू ड्रैग योर शोल्डर्स टू फॉरवर्ड अहेड. अगर आप अपने बॉडी के साइड्स में कंफर्टेबली शोल्डर्स को प्लेस करके अपना काम कर पाए, दिस विल बी पुटिंग अ लॉट लेस strain on your low back as well and on your neck as well. And the final thing, your neck and your head, neither tilted this way nor tilted that way, neither tilted forward nor tilted back. Wapas, this is very easy to say. We oftentimes tend to neglect this again, because when we are deeply submerged in your work, तो क्या होता है कि हमारा ध्यान नहीं रहता कि हमारा neck position क्या हो रहा है उस समय. But then what we need to really focus on is that our head needs to be centralized on our torso. If our work again requires us to be leaning forward all the time, this entire weight generally drops down onto your low back, and this is what causes strain. So make sure while you work, your ergonomics, your sitting, your working is arranged in such a way that your head can be well centralized, comfortably sitting on your torso, and this will reduce a lot of strain on your low back. Of the 5 things, again I'll repeat once more, making sure that your low back is firmly in contact with the backrest of your chair is what will really solve almost all of your problems. Beyond this, obviously strengthening your core, making sure that your core is being strengthened time and again is also equally important. Beyond all these 5 points of posture, one thing that has time and again come as a part of a lot of numerous studies in the last decade, which have stressed the importance of sitting and the connection with the low back, one thing that they have all commonly been saying in the entire last decade is you should take enough breaks in between. Every 30 minutes, make sure that you change your body posture slightly inside your chair, and every 2 hours take a break enough so that you walk for at least a 5 or 10 minute walk, and then come back and sit on your chair. Change of posture frequently, intermittently, and making sure that you take a small walk contributes equally to avoiding strain that is continuously building up while you sit on your chair on your low back. So now that we have understood about the 5 key aspects of how to have a good sitting posture, देयर आर टू इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स अदर देन जस्ट हैविंग अ गुड पोस्चर। गुड पोस्चर होने के साथ साथ आपको दो चीज़ों पे और फोकस करना है, एंड उसमें नंबर वन चीज़ आती है कोर स्ट्रेंथनिंग। अगर आपका जॉब दिन भर बैठने का भी है तो जनरली हमारे दिमाग में ऐसा कन्फ्यूजन होता है कि मैं तो दिन भर बैठ ही रहा हूँ, मैं तो कुछ काम ही नहीं करता हूँ, मैं तो कुछ उठाता नहीं हूँ, मैं तो कुछ करता नहीं हूँ, तो मुझे क्यों कमर दर्द हो रही है? आपकी कमर दर्द हो रही है क्योंकि दिन भर बैठने में आपकी कमर के जो आजू बाजू के स्पाइनल पैरास्पाइनल मसल्स हैं उन्हें दिन भर आपको बैठक करवाने का एक बहुत ही लोडेड कार्यक्रम दिन भर करते रहना पड़ता है, एंड दिस इज क्वाइट अ स्ट्रेनस टास्क टू डू डे इन एंड डे आउट। एंड अगर आप इन मसल्स को स्ट्रेंथन आउट नहीं करवाते हो, उनका स्ट्रेचिंग नहीं करवाते हो, इनकी ताकत बढ़ाने के लिए कुछ प्रयत्न नहीं करते हो, तो दैट ऑल्सो contributes to you having a low back issue even if you are really maintaining a good posture while you sit। तो posture maintain करने के साथ साथ one thing that you should focus on is strengthening your core muscles very well। A simple morning walk for 30 minutes every day would help you to strengthen your core sufficiently enough। Other exercises like going into a plank position, and there are a lot of core strengthening exercises that you can find on Google, but just make sure that you strengthen your core enough। And beyond core strengthening, one last thing, and this has suddenly caught the attention of a lot of medical researchers in the last decade or so, जो एक चीज पे काफी फोकस दिया जा रहा है in the last decade is the fact कि आप कितना ही अच्छा पोस्चर मेंटेन कर रहे हो और आप कितना ही कोर स्ट्रेंथनिंग कर रहे हो। और एक छोटी चीज है जिस पे आपको काफी ध्यान देना चाहिए, एंड दैट इज फ्रीक्वेंट चेंज ऑफ पोस्चर। आप नॉर्मली जैसा भी बैठे हो, एटलीस्ट मेक श्योर दैट एवरी 30 minutes you have some change in your posture, because continuously sitting in one posture strains your low back again, and every 2 hours at least, maybe more fast, more frequent, but at least every 2 hours you should make sure that you have a 5 or 10 minute walk in between। These things you should incorporate while you do your sitting job, or you do your reading, studying, or whatever you do as a part of your daily activity, so that you can avoid low back pain as much as possible। Thank you again for your patient listening। Thank you so much।